Hey everybody, so today we're out with this new LUTH-AR MBA stock. This is the modular buttstock assembly, and as you can see, this thing is very adjustable here for length of pull, and then you have an adjustable cheek weld as well. Now you'll see a lot more in detail of this when we get to the tabletop here in just a second. But we wanted to set this up. I've got it set up for me right now, and we're going to take some shots down here. What did we figure this to be?
About 150 yards.
Yeah, probably 150
plus.
So we're gonna go ahead and take some shots, and you'll be able to see right here in the corner the target set up downrange. I believe I got it.
That was a hit.
Let's see if we can try it again here. Doesn't help that these are fogging up on me either, does it? There it is. All right, let's go for the little gearhead works target down there. See if we can ring that little ringer down there. Oh yeah. Missed it. Oh wow. Try a few faster follow-up shots here. See what we can do on that little plate. It's just so hard to keep this gun stable right here, isn't it?
Yeah, we're going to build a bench.
Let me move it over here and see if I can pull it into me. It's making it hard on the follow-up shots. And we're out. All right, guys, we'll load back up. Be right back. All right, guys, so we decided to prone out here on the deck and see if that helps us keep the rifle a little steady. Watch the first couple of shots here. You may get some of these little helicopters flying up from the muzzle blast. Not sure, but let's go ahead and see what we can do from this position. Going to be going for the gearhead works target downrange there, the little I think it's a 12-inch ringer or something. Man, it's swinging now. This position has definitely helped. Let me see if I can stop that from swinging.
You slowed it down.
Yep.
Wearing it out.
Definitely a better position to be. All right, let's go for some more headshots there on the silhouette downrange. See if it helps on that as well. Dead.
He's definitely dead.
So that's it. This stock is really comfortable, guys. I'm going to stand up here and talk a little more about it. Hey guys, so here we are with the LUTH-AR MBA stock. I could really tell my shooting, once we got this dialed in for me, was a lot more consistent. I was more comfortable once you get this cheek weld set up with the for the eye relief and everything of my scope. You know, just the up and down there. And this is pretty low. It's almost bottomed out, but it's just right for me in the scope. The length of pull, you can actually adjust this further too than what it is. You have to loosen some of these screws here, but all you really need is I think it's an A1 or an A2 buffer tube and assembly to install this. Very easy. You just install, if you don't currently have an A1, A2 buffer assembly, you just install that and this goes on very easily. We actually changed this out today from the old stock that you've seen in some of our previous videos on my mini SASS here. We changed this in the field down by the Jeep, so it's really easy to change out. And I may do a video showing you guys that, not sure, but it's pretty simple. If you guys want to see that, let me know down in the comments, but it's pretty simple install. But this thing is really nice. I do want to let Gary get behind it. Now he may have to adjust this a little bit for him. I think the cheek weld's going to be pretty close for you, but this was sent out to us by Luth, I don't know, probably a month or so ago. It's just a really nice stock. I actually wish I'd have put it on the rifle before now. You know, the Magpul stock I had on there was great, but for precision work, this thing is really where it's at. So let's go ahead and get Gary behind the rifle and see what he thinks about it.
Small target. I'm just going to do some center mass shots. That's all she wrote.
Nice shooting, man.
I really like that stock.
This stock's nice, isn't it?
That is a nice stock.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much it, besides showing it here on the table, and we'll do our full review once we put a lot more rounds downrange with this thing. But initially I think we both really like this thing, so I know I love it. So that's it guys, we'll see you in the next one.